Hey loves, today's video is a small beauty supply store haul. I haven't done one of these in a while, but I picked up some new makeup along with a few accessories, and I also got a new wig. I will be showing you the Red Carpet Premiere HD Melting Lace Front Wig in the style Milena. I purchased all three of the Magic Collection Glitz and Glam Glitter palettes. They were $3 each. This first one is Barbie Doll. Next is Hollywood. And the last palette is La Dolce Vita. I also purchased a new brush to apply the glitters with. This is the Nicka Beauty Playground Round Eyeshadow Brush, and it was $1.99. I picked up two LA Colors Iced Pigment Powders. They were also $3 each in the shades Glimmer and Bling. Of course, no beauty supply store haul is complete without a new lip gloss or two. The new Ruby Kisses Butter Balm glosses are $2 each. I picked up shades 3 and 10. Across from the register at the beauty supply store that I went to, they have these displays with all of these cute little beauty tools, and they're only $1.59 each, so of course I had to get something. I got a new pink sharpener for my eyeliners, and I also got this pair of gold tweezers with this heart cutout. I purchased the Jackie's Strawberry Wax Stick for $6. When I saw these, I just had to pick them up. This is the 8-pack Daisy Gold Hair Clips by Princess, and they were $1.59. The last item in my beauty supply store haul is the Red Carpet Premiere HD Melting Lace Front Wig in the style Milena and color 2. Here are some of the specs of the wig. The only one I don't agree with is the skin tone adapting lace. That was not the case for me because this lace was really light, but I put foundation on the lace of my wigs anyway, and now it matches. The hair was really soft, easy to brush and comb through, and I really like how it looks. I used the wax stick on the part to tame some of the flyaways, and that worked really well without the hair separating. Overall, I really like this wig. Thank you so much for watching. Do you have any beauty supply store must-have products, favorites? Let me know in a comment down below. I'm always eager to try out new products. And until next time, bye loves!